Assalamualaikum guys, hope you all will be fine and enjoying my videos. Welcome to StyleHub. If you are liking my video, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Today's video is gonna be a hairstyle tutorial which is called a fishtail or a braid. This is so classy and so traditional. For this hairstyle, firstly we have to comb our hair like this very perfectly to get a very smooth hair. And now we will divide our hair into two sections. We will take a very small portion of hair from the first section and mix it with the second one. And now we will take a very small portion of hair from the other section and mix it over with the first section as well. Then again we will take a very small portion of hair from the first one and mix the hair with the second portion, and then again we will take a very small portion of hair from the second one section and mix it with the first one section. We will repeat this again and again. This is so easy and so quick hairstyle, and this hairstyle gives you a classy and traditional look. If you're going to any party, any wedding, this will complete your very traditional look. You can see in the video we are just repeating this process as we are taking the section and mixing it up with the other hair section, and then again we are doing this again and again and again. And now what will you do? We will just take a very little one hair band like this. We will bind our hair with that rubber band. To volume our hair, we will just pull some hair in the outer way like this a little, and very smoothly we will do with both sides like this. Now you can see it volumized your hair, and this gives you a very gorgeous look to your hair. Now rubber band is looking a little patchy. We will take a small portion of hair to hide this rubber band. We will revolve it onto the rubber band like this. Now we will take a bobby pin and we'll fix it onto the hair like this. Now here's a complete hairstyle look. You can make this type of hairstyle on weddings for your traditional look. If you do like my video, please subscribe my channel and like my video too, and share, comment. See you in the next video, inshallah. Goodbye, Allah Hafiz, take care.